Hello, 911.
Hi, my little brother is having a manic episode. He has tried to stab me with a knife. I don't know where he is. We're at 1277 Spring Creek Drive. He's somewhere in the lot, and I don't know where he is. I'm bleeding a little bit. Oh, I think 1277. I'm so sorry. I don't know off the top of my head. I'm sorry. I'm trying to get away from it.
Okay, that's why you keep moving so much. So I'm not.
It's like a light cut. I'm not that bad. I really need to get away.
Okay. He did stab you with a knife, though?
He has cut me and put it up to my neck and shit like that. I had to stop him from stabbing me. I only got cut a little bit on my hand from stopping that.
Okay, let me see.
He has been, apparently, I took away ether or something. He's like huffing something. I don't know what it is. I have it in a bag in my part of the apartment.
Okay.
I am so sorry. I'm really freaked out right now.
No, that's fine. I'm just trying to get where you are. That's it.
Okay.
I have you over on Spring Creek Drive, is that right?
Yeah, it's like an apartment complex in Bellevue, Tennessee.
Hey, what is it, 1276?
Yeah.
It's this one right here.
Metro Police! I think you said 1276 or 1277. Should we verify that?
21 Charles to 20 Boy. Can you reconfirm the apartment number?
Off the door.
10-4. It's maybe up above one. Man, I don't know where 77 is.
Hey! Stop! Stop right now! Shots fired! Shots fired!
Shots fired! Shots fired! Drop the knife! Drop the knife!
Hey,